oceans, habitats full of small and large wonders. Without them mankind wouldn't exist. Coral reefs, beautiful and fragile ecosystems that are more important for us than many people think. They absorb much of the CO2 we produce, they produce oxygen that we need and protect us from the tides of the seas. A coral reef is teeming with life and is home to many different organisms. Among other things, a mostly underestimated creature, the sea cucumber. Around 1,700 species are currently known. Like the starfish, they belong to the same family, and they are the vacuum cleaners in the coral reef. With the help of their mouth tentacles, some of which look like little white socks, they dab algae and other organic components from sponges, corals, or the sediment and guide them to their mouth opening. All sea cucumbers produce the toxin holothuria, which deter predators. In some species, it is stored in the cuvarian tubes, which they use to hurl poisonous, sticky threads at their enemies. And other species vomit parts of their intestines. Surely, that is not really sexy, but it's a good defense mechanism. Sea cucumber are incredibly fascinating creatures. And yes, it's true, they breathe through their anus. So, if you spot a sea cucumber on your next dive, give a little attention and some of your love, because they are an important part of a coral reef.